What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to build wireframes in Figma. So wireframes are the basic blueprint of your website or app. They help you structure content and layout before moving on to visual design. Figma is a great tool for this because it's flexible, collaborative, and beginner friendly. So all you have to do is open Figma in your browser, then log into your account. You will now enter the main workspace. You'll see an empty canvas. Rename it your file by clicking the untitled on the top left. Now use the rectangle tool by pressing R to create your pages. Click and drag the canvas to draw rectangle and set width and height in the properties panel. For example, width is 1680 and the height is flexible depending on your content. Create rectangles for each page of your site. For example, home, blog, about, etc. Convert each rectangle into a frame, then select a rectangle. Right-click on it, then frame selection. Or press Ctrl plus Alt plus G to rename the frames to match your pages. Now draw a rectangle for the navbar at the top or side of your page. Customize the color in the fill section and add a logo. Insert an icon or image and resize it. Also, you can add menu text. Style the text and select all navbar elements like frame selection, then rename frame as navbar. Duplicate the navbar frame and place it on all of your page frames, and you can drag the navbar frame into each page frame for consistency. Now all you have to do is use rectangles, text, placeholder images and icons to structure your content. Keep your wireframe simple. This is just for layout, not final design. Just group and rename sections for clarity. Once your wireframe is ready, you can turn it into a high-fidelity mockup, export assets for development, and also import it into tools like Webflow to start building your website. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.